Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be diving into another video on how to customize your VS Code and make it transparent. I made a video about this a few months back, essentially with the extension called APC Customize UI++, and how that will still work if you're using a VS Code version older than 1.94, but for any of the newer VS Code versions, this will absolutely not work, and it will never work in the future because the project has essentially been abandoned by the creators. But I do have a pretty cool new extension for you guys here, and it's actually a bit easier to set up. So without further ado, let's just get started. So obviously you already have VS Code installed. First thing you want to do is go to your extensions, look up custom UI style. You want to install this extension right here by subframe 7536. Install. And then you want to open up your settings.json. And then you need these lines right here. I believe you need all of them. That includes setting the frame to false, transparent true, and setting your opacity. And then once that's done, you hit save. It should bring up a pop-up here. You hit yes. You reload your window. Some of you might have to hit Control Q to reload the window, but once the VS Code is reloaded, it should now be transparent. And obviously 0.5 is a bit much here, but you can clearly see that it's working as intended here. Every time you change that number though, you do have to hit yes and reload window, but it should more or less work every single time. And yeah, that's basically it. You just leveled up your VS Code aesthetics. There's a lot more to this extension than I'm showing here in this video, but I haven't gone through all of it yet. But if you would like more kind of tips, because this allows you to really customize the VS Code. You can even add a background image with this extension if you would like. But if you'd like more, just leave a comment, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know what else you guys would like to see from this extension. Until next time, happy coding.